Welcome to Thenas Channel. This is 66 Modular Kitchen Decor Inspiration, stunning ideas for modern and functional kitchen designs. Modular kitchens are the perfect blend of style and practicality, designed to make your cooking space more organized, efficient, and visually appealing. Whether you're redesigning your kitchen or starting from scratch, these 66 incredible modular kitchen designs are sure to spark your imagination and help you create the perfect culinary haven. From sleek minimalist layouts to bold and vibrant color palettes, our collection showcases designs that suit every taste and lifestyle. Need clever storage solutions? Explore ideas featuring innovative cabinetry, pull-out drawers, and built-in organizers. Looking for an elegant touch? Discover kitchens with premium finishes, luxurious countertops, and ambient lighting that transform your space into a work of art. In this video, you'll also find layouts that maximize small spaces, ensuring even compact kitchens can feel spacious and functional. We've included styles ranging from classic to contemporary, rustic to industrial, so you're sure to find the inspiration that aligns with your vision. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and immerse yourself in this curated showcase of stunning modular kitchen decor. Let these ideas guide you in designing a kitchen that's not only beautiful, but also tailored to your unique needs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more home decor inspirations. Let us know which design is your favorite in the comments below. Happy watching, and let's get started.